Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about settlement in foreign land. I already make lot of video about settlement in foreign land, but lot of my viewers are sending me the email or messages on WhatsApp. They want to know more about which type of planet they have and they settle in foreign land. So today I'm going to let you know which type of planet you have in your birth chart, and you will easily get PR or work permit and you stay in foreign land or you stay far away from your birth land. So guys, first of all, if you have ascendant lord, first house lord placed in your 12th house, or 12th house lord placed in your first house, or 12th house lord placed in your 4th house or 9th house. I repeat this, if your ascendant lord placed in your 12th house, your 9th house, your 8th house, your 7th house, there is a strong chances to settlement in foreign land. You will definitely get PR, you will definitely get work permit if your 10th lord is in 12th, or is in your 12th lord is in 10th house, or any type of 10th or 12th conjunction in your birth chart in 9th house, in 12th house, in 3rd house. You will definitely go or travel in foreign land and stay there for few years if you have 10th lord or 12th lord is in conjunction. You will go there for work permit, you will go for some work, you will stay there for 5 years, 10 years, and you make a lot of money, and then you come back at your place. But if your ascendant lord placed in your 9th house or your 12th house, you will definitely get PR and you will rise a lot there. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, you will enjoy a lot of name, fame, money, reputation, because your ascendant lord is strong, which is indicate and which is telling you your success is linked with foreign land. If your first house lord is in your 8th house, your 9th house, your 12th house, your 7th house, you will definitely settle in foreign land. There is no doubt. And if your ascendant lord placed in your 4th house, 5th house or 10th house, you never settle in foreign land. Ascendant lord and 9th lord and 12th lord play a big role. Then 4th house lord play a big role to settlement in foreign land. Suppose if your 4th house lord is in your 12th house, and first house lord also is in 12th house, is in conjunction, you will definitely get PR. There is no doubt. No one can stop you to get PR, because settlement of your life is in far away from your birth land. Your 4th lord is in 12th and your first lord is in 12th. So strong chances to settle in foreign land, get PR or get work permit. You live there a long time. So guys, you need to know which type of planets you have. Do you have 9th lord in 12th house? Do you have first lord is in 8th house? Or 8th lord is in 12th house? And do you have any Mahadasha of first house lord which is placed in 12th, 9th, 8th or 7th house? If you have any type of Mahadasha in your birth chart and that planet placed in your 8th, 9th or 12th house, you will definitely settle in foreign land. You will get PR, you will get work permit very easily, because your first lord plays in your 8th, 9th or 12th. Suppose if your 4th lord plays in your 12th house and you have a Mahadasha of 4th lord, you will definitely get PR. There is no doubt, because your 4th lord is in 12th house. And the same, if your 12th house lord plays in your 9th house, you will definitely get PR during that planet Mahadasha. Mahadasha and Antardasha play a big role. Placement of the planet is a different thing, and Mahadasha and Antardasha, that is a different thing. You need to know which type of planets you have in your birth chart before you plan to set up at foreign land. If you have a strong yoga in your birth chart to settlement in foreign land, then you will get a lot of success there. You will get a lot of name, fame, prosperity, a lot of money, lot of self-respect, lot of settlement. You will get settled very easily in foreign land after check your birth chart if you have that type of yoga in your birth chart. Birth chart play a big role. It's a root of your life. I am telling you in my every video, astrology is a guidance. Astrology is a guideline. Astrology is like a lamp in a dark room. Astrology is like an umbrella in rain. Nobody can stop the rain, but umbrella can protect you. Astrology is like that. So if your first lord is in 12th, or your 9th lord is in 12th, or your 7th lord is in 12th, you will settle in foreign land through your wife. If your 7th lord, 9th lord, they are conjunction in 12th house, you will settle in foreign land through your marriage. If your 5th lord is in 12th or 5th lord is in 9th, you will settle in foreign land through study visa. Lot of students, they wants to settle in foreign land, and they want to go there for study, education. And if your fifth lord, fifth house is a house of your education, and your fifth lord pays in ninth house or 12th house, you will surely settle in foreign land through education visa if you have a Mahadasha of fifth lord, because Mahadasha play a big role. If you have a Mahadasha of that planet which is placed in your 12th, 9th, 8th or 7th house, it means you will easily get PR, you will easily get study visa, you will easily get work permit. So guys, you need to know which type of planets you have before make any plan to settlement in foreign land. Because I saw a lot of people, they are trying to settle in foreign land, and after a few months or after 1 year or 2 years, they get suffered there and they come back at our birth land because they are not able to set there. They are very disturbed. They are trying our best to settle in foreign land, but they are failed because no yoga in birth chart to settlement in foreign land. How can you set? How can you settle in foreign land if you don't have any yoga in birth chart? So planets play a big role, astrology play a big role. Astrology is a guidance. Nobody can change your destiny. We all are only calculate the planet and explain you which type of planet you have, which type of lifestyle you will enjoy in future. So you need to know which type of planets you have. If you have first lord, ninth lord, 12th lord, 7th lord, 8th lord, any type of Mahadasha or any type of mutual exchange, like first lord is in ninth, ninth lord is in first, 12th lord is in ninth, or ninth is in 12th, or first house ascendant lord is in 8th house, you will definitely settle in foreign land. Thank you for watching my video. Must consult with any astrologer before make any plan of settlement in foreign land. Namaskar. Jai Hind.